strange natural phenomena. Number 1. Bioluminescent algae, found in oceans around the world, emit light when disturbed, creating mesmerizing blue-green glowing waves. Number 2. The northern lights (aurora borealis) are natural light displays in the Earth's sky, caused by charged particles from the sun colliding with gases in the atmosphere. Number 3. The migration of monarch butterflies spans thousands of miles, with individual butterflies completing the journey over multiple generations. Number 4. Sailing stones in Death Valley, USA, move mysteriously across the desert floor, leaving long tracks behind them. Number 5. The blood rain phenomenon involves rain appearing red or brown due to sand or dust particles suspended in the atmosphere.